Hello, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say sorry for not posting video all this while. I can't say a lot for now, but since I'm back, I want to thank you for always staying with me. Thank you for joining my community, and if you are new here, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I am online or released a new video. Okay, so our topic for today is on partitive articles. Partitif articles in French, les articles partitifs. First of all, we are going to introduce them. So, du, de le, de la, des, de, and des apostrophes. So, qu'est-ce que l'article partitif? Qu'est-ce que l'article partitif? That is, what is partitif article? L'article partitif est un déterminant indéfini. Il est employé devant les noms exprimant une quantité indénombrable. L'article partitif est un déterminant indéfini. Il est employé devant les noms exprimant une quantité indénombrable. The partitive article refers to an unspecified quantity of food, liquid, or some uncountable nouns. Then here is a table of partitive articles. You know, in French we always deal with masculine, feminine, and plural. So when it comes to masculine and singular, we have du, de le. When it comes to feminine, we have de la, de le. Then the plural form of those two are they. They can be both masculine and feminine. There are three singular partitive articles, which are stated before: masculine, du, feminine, de la, then de le apostrophe, de L apostrophe can be both masculine and feminine, and it is used in front of vowels or silent H. We use the le in front of vowels or silent H. It can be masculine or feminine. Now let us give some example here. Il mange du pain. Il mange du pain. He is eating some bread. Pain is a masculine noun, and here it is uncountable. That's why we use du. Du pain, some bread. Now let us use de la. That is the feminine partitive articles. Il mange de la viande. He is eating some meat. Viande here is a feminine noun, that is why we use de la. When it comes to de le apostrophe, de L apostrophe, let us give some example here. J'ai de l'argent. I have some money. J'ai de l'argent. I have some money. Here, argent is a masculine noun. We cannot use du here because argent starts with a vowel. Okay, now let us use de le, that is de L apostrophe, with a feminine noun. Je bois de l'eau. Je bois de l'eau. I am drinking water. In English, sometimes we may not include some, but in French it is necessary. Some must be there no matter what, but in English we can exclude some. Je bois de l'eau. I am drinking water. Oh, here is a feminine noun, so you cannot see that the L apostrophe can be both masculine and feminine. Okay, now let us go to the plural form of this singular partitive. The plural form of the singular partitive is only one, and it is de. Now let us give some example with de. J'ai mangé des crêpes. J'ai mangé des crêpes. Crêpe is a feminine noun and is uncountable. That's why we use there. Now let us use a masculine noun. J'ai préparé des haricots. J'ai préparé des haricots. Haricot is an uncountable noun. That's why we use the here, des. Now let us go to the negative form of a partitive article. In a negative sentence, du, de la, des, de, L apostrophe change to de or the apostrophe. Okay, let us give some example. First example here is il y a encore du vin. Il y a encore du vin. There is some wine left. Then in a negative form, it will change to il n'y a plus de vin. Il n'y a plus de vin. Il y a encore du vin. You can see there is du there. But when it changes to negative, it will take de. Il n'y a plus de vin. There is no any wine left. Okay? Then our second example here is j'ai de l'argent de poche. J'ai de l'argent de poche. I have some pocket money. I have some pocket money. Then in the negative form, de will change. De le apostrophe will change to the apostrophe. Je n'ai pas d'argent de poche. Je n'ai pas d'argent de poche. I don't have some pocket money. I think you can see the difference now. Another example, j'ai mangé des crêpes. J'ai mangé des crêpes. Je n'ai pas mangé de crêpes. Je n'ai pas mangé de crêpes. You can see des here turns to de when it comes to negative form. In the positive form, j'ai mangé des crêpes. But in the negative form, je n'ai pas mangé de crêpes. Okay? Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this class. In my next class, we are going to elaborate more on partitive articles. Okay? Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for joining my community, and I hope I will continue working on this channel. I don't know what to say, but I hope I will continue satisfying your learning. And please, if there is something you want me to teach or to post online concerning French, or there is any advice, please let me know. I will take it willingly. Thank you so much, and bye.